Remote start. App-lock car door. App-lock car door. Main unit front part. Main unit back part. Start-stop button. Alarm antenna. Antennas. Main cables. Start cables. Password keypad. GPS module kit.